Hello, and welcome to this meditation designed to relieve your depression and your anxious thoughts. Make sure right now that you're in a comfortable position. You will not be disturbed for the duration of the session. Find somewhere where you can sit up straight, either against a wall or sit on top of a cushion in an upright position, or even in a chair. But find some place where you feel comfortable and that you feel relaxed and at peace. Bring your focus to your breath and really pay crucial attention to how your lungs expand as you inhale and as you exhale, and contract when you inhale and exhale. Let your breath flow however it wants to right now. Don't focus on trying to control it. Let it come in and let it go out in its natural rhythm. Notice your jaw, and if you feel any tension here, just notice it. Don't try to change anything just yet. Now breathe into the sensations in your jaw, and as you exhale, allow it to release a little bit. Inhale again, slowly. Imagine that you are breathing in new life, and when you exhale, let all fear completely fade. Let all of those negative, anxious thoughts go away. Let all of that energy that's been dragging you down, slowing you down, not allowing you to flourish, let it all go right here. Take another breath in, and when you exhale, feel yourself let go of any worries. Notice how relaxed you are becoming right now. Let another breath come in naturally, imagining a bright, beautiful future. And as you let it go, notice how depression eases and fades. Notice how all that anxiety that you had is starting to go away. Focus on how good you feel right now, how beautiful that picture you have is. A gentle wave of relaxation sweeps over you as you breathe in, and then as you breathe out. Allow your breath to flow naturally now. Let yourself feel calm and peaceful. You deserve it. You deserve this wonderful feeling of serenity. You deserve this wonderful feeling of peace. You deserve this wonderful feeling of relaxation. So let that wave overcome you right now. You're open now to receive new thoughts, and you open up even more with each breath you take in and each breath that you let out. Take to new and fresh energy. Picture that new and fresh life. Notice how new ideas begin to present themselves to you. You start to feel amazing because all of those pictures and all of those ideals and energies and visualizations, meditations, and manifestations start to come over you in a beautiful wave of new life, of new energy, of new focus. Bring up feelings of abundance, as if you have so much that your cup pours over for others to enjoy the abundance you have created. Have such an abundant mindset that you can give and keep giving without any worry of running out. Right now, you are abundance. Anything that you want in your life, anything that you picture comes to you now, not only with the new energy, but in abundance that pour and run over your cup. Imagine that you're energized and have a zeal for life. Even if this is not true of your present self, imagine it vividly and with awe and with as much detail as you can. What do the flowers smell like as you pass them by? How is the temperature outside? Is it warm? Is it cool? Is there a breeze? Are the birds chirping? Is there a deer running off in the field? Is there a rabbit nibbling at some carrots? Is there a plane going over the sky right now? Are you with a loved one? Are they calling your name and sharing a moment of serenity, a moment of peace, a moment of love? Are you in that magnificent house that you worked so hard for, that you earned, that you deserve? Now, I want you to see yourself full of energy and optimism. You can imagine it as if you're watching a movie of yourself, if this helps. But see the colors brightly and watch yourself full of ambition, taking steps toward achievement, working so hard and relentlessly to bring to life all those things that you imagine. Stay with your breath and allow your intentions to remain positive. All that ambition, all that achievement is in a positive light. Don't fear for the work ahead, because all of that work is going to go into creating that beautiful image where the loved ones are with you in that field, when the flowers smell beautiful, when the warmth of the sun touches your skin, and the coolness and freshness of that new energy hits you as a wave in the breeze as it passes by. Even if you don't feel positive in this moment, you can imagine what being joyful is like. So breathe into this joy you are creating and notice how you are consciously shifting any depressed or any anxious thoughts right now into peaceful feelings instead by following your breath as you breathe deeply in and let your exhale completely relax you. Any thoughts that previously held you back become smaller and smaller. They fall lower and lower and drift further and further away from this beautiful image of this beautiful life that you are creating, that you are living, that you are a part of. Any thoughts that previously held you back become smaller and smaller. Watch as these negative thoughts diminish little by little, as if you are riding away in a car, and these negative thoughts are sitting alongside the road, shrinking into the distance as you ride away with ease into a beautiful sunset, into a peaceful life, and into a full embrace of this new and fresh energy. As you see them go, you are freed from their grip. You are free. If you have any more negative thoughts arise, drop them off on the side of the road by any creative means that arises and ride away into that sunset, watching them grow smaller until they are consumed by the horizon. Allow yourself a few moments to simply be and notice how you feel changes from this moment right now, and the difference between how you felt before you began this meditation. Your new thoughts find a new home within your inner being. Return your focus to your breath for a few moments, breathing in deeply and holding it, and then exhaling very slowly and releasing all negative energy and embracing that fresh life. Return your focus back to these breaths again, just for another few moments. In your own time, whenever you are ready, slowly begin. to open your eyes. Good. Applaud yourself and give yourself commitment for making these steps toward a better life today. For taking time to really focus your energy and align yourself with what you want, with what you deserve, to remove all negative thoughts and anxiety away from anything that you're working toward. Accept this wonderful change to your new life. Take as much time as you like to just be in gratitude for several moments, to just be thankful of all the work that you've put in, and just be thankful for this moment where that energy, that new life rushes in and consumes you and lifts you up into an amazing, amazing picture. It's an amazing, amazing life in an amazing, a very, very amazing, peaceful place. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please come again. Namaste and blessings, my friend.